Hi, welcome to Blue Ice Machines. Congratulations on your T10 machine. We're going to show you how to install it, wash it, prepare it for many years of good service. Place a little bit of lubricant on. And same again on the other side. Place a little bit of lubricant on your fingers and rub around the O-rings like so. Carry on lubricating all the O-rings as required. Put a smear in on the shaft there, leaving the square dry. With the shaft lubricated and seal in place, the next step is to put it into the machine. In the middle of the machine at the rear is a hole. You need to push it into the machine so it's tight and it clicks into position. On the end, there's two plastic shoes. There's a left on and a right one, and they fit on the end. And the next stage is to put on the scraping blades on both sides, and it's ready for installation. Now we pop it into the machine, and it will slide. You have to push it right back like that, so it's not protruding. If the beater's not in position and is like that, it will cause the door to not seal and leak ice cream. So you need to turn it so it locks into position. The lubricated large seal is to install it on the door as so. If required, a little bit more lubricant, like so, and also just place a little bit more lubricant on the edge there for the door, for the seal. The locating lug sits on the machine like that. The two small O-rings go to the plastic valve assembly, so make sure it's lubricated nicely. Add a little bit more if required. The white valve inserts into the door like so, and then the handle and the door locates into the beater like so. Push it home so it's located. Install the nuts like so. To install the handle and the return spring, you need to locate the fork into the white valve plunger. You need to install the spring underneath the door, as like so. Locate the fork in the valve and insert the pin to lock the handle in, thus giving you the handle. This is the bleed screw, and these O-rings need to be lubricated when inserted into the door, and it pushes home just like that. Finally is to install the design cap, which gives you the design of the ice cream, which is inserted at the bottom. Put it on the rear and push it up. This button on the machine is to reset it. This one is cool mode for making the ice cream. This is the wash mode for putting it into wash. This one's night mode, put it in night when you go home. The ice cream counter to say how many ice creams you've dispensed. And this is the programming one for programming the machine. Sanitising the unit, we take 1 tablet to 5 litres of water. Fill the hopper with the sterilisation fluid. And as you will hear, the sterilising fluid has been drawn into the barrel with the bubbling noise. And place the gravity tube in the solution for 5 minutes so it sterilises the tube as well. So removing the water and the sanitising fluids, Press reset so the machine is in stop mode. Press the wash mode, like so. And then pull the handle down. And there's very little water left in the barrel. Press the reset button to stop the machine. So now we've drained all the water out of the machine, leave the unit switched off and dry the hopper. Make sure it's thoroughly dry. As you pour into the top, as you can hear, it's going into the barrel, creating all of air bubbles. So we're filling the chamber up with ice cream. We just need that settle for a minute or so, with the machine still off. Don't turn it on at this stage. Pull the plunger to purge the air and the excess water out of the unit. As you can see, water. After bleeding the machine, as you can see, the consistency is quite thick, the same as the ice cream. So the machine is now bled. So what we need to do now is install the feeding tube. As you know, there's a little hole at the bottom which goes into the middle of the hopper, like so. As you can see, the float switch is low, causing the light on the front to come on. Add some more mix. And as you can see, the switch will come to the top and come level. And now we just put the lid on the machine and we're ready to go. Press the reset so it says stop. Press it on day mode. The machine now will kick in and start producing the ice cream. While it's doing this, if you press the P number, the P comes up with the temperatures of the machines, what the machine's running at. If we press P again, it'll give us the viscosity of the ice cream mix. And when it gets to 3, what it's set at, the machine will stop. Now we've got all the stars and the machine's stopped and it's in slow mode, it's now ready to dispense. We have an infrared sensor on this particular machine. If you place your hand over it and pull the handle down, so we probe the product and it's around about -6, -7, which is okay. If you go excess of -7.5, it will freeze the machine up and trip the overload. If your ice cream is very soft, we press the P button and we go to the viscosity setting. At the moment it's set for 3. We press reset and hold it in. It goes into parameter settings. Your viscosity set current is 3. With the P button and the night mode button, you can go upwards and downwards to change the viscosity of the ice cream. If we go upwards, the ice cream will go thicker and cool a little bit harder. Only do it in increments of 0.2. So 2 and 4. To save that setting, press the ice cream and it will say save now. Press it again, comes up with mix temperature. As you go up, it will increase the temperature, goes warmer, and if you press the P and go down in temperature, the product will go colder. We need to keep the temperature roughly around about 5 degrees. Press the ice cream key and it will save it into its settings. If you think you've made a mistake, press the water tap, the wash tap, and it will not save it and revert back to its original setting within the machine. Press reset, press day mode, and it will go back into cool mode. Let the ice cream make the ice cream and then reprobe it to get it round to the -6, -7 temperature. As the machine's been running through the day, you need to stop the machine by pressing the reset. The night mode button, we press the night mode button. As you can see, it goes into standby mode. The standby mode will protect your mix in the hopper as a little fridge. Then that's it, leave it alone. In the morning, you remove it out of standby mode, night mode, by pressing reset. Put it into wash mode and drain 3 jugs of the fluid off and return it into the hopper, thus bleeding the machine ready for the day shift. Press reset, put it back in day mode, cooling mode. Then it's ready for the day mode. After 3 days, and we need to clean the machine. So you press reset, so the unit stops. You have to wait for 1 hour for the mix to defrost. Then you would put it into wash mode, dispense all the fluid, the liquidy ice cream, out. Press reset. Then what you would do, you would make your solution up with warm water, put it in the top and dispense it. And as you do this, it will clean the barrel and come out as pure liquid. You need to do this around about 3 times, and then the last solution, put in a sterilising tablet to sterilise the machine. Once all the solution's removed from the unit, we can turn the unit off and then strip the machine, thus fully cleaning it and making sure that the hopper is completely dry. Blue Ice can supply various brushes as a kit form to clean the various parts of the machine. To reassemble the machine, please refer to the beginning of the video. Thank you very much, Blue Ice.